What's up, YouTube? It's Chance Fabs again. We're going to be building an ultimate gantry crane today for one of my loyal customers. I built him a table a little while ago. And now he wants a gantry crane. So he came up with some prints.
So this is the print I received for this project. This is the overall view of it. And this next one is the mounting of the I-beam to the columns. And the last one is another overall view of how he wants this thing built that we're going to tweak a little bit.
Showed me some pictures of stuff that he liked.
And then this is what he's wanting the finished product to kind of look like. That one's kind of puny. This one's more durable. This is ideal, but it doesn't have the adjustability like the last one does. He wants it to vertically adjust, so when you're moving it, it makes it easier.
We're gonna use his print and adjust it a little bit here and there, and hopefully he likes it, and hopefully you guys like it. And we'll be using all this steel right here, this I-beam, some square tubing, and some plate, if you can see it. I'm kind of in the way. We purchased all the steel for just over 500 bucks, and I think we did good. We got some casters that we're gonna put on it, and yeehaw.
So I head to the steel yard to get all the materials for this gantry crane build, and right now I am looking for an I-beam, and as you can see, it's not the easiest task in this place. They have lots of material, and they kind of told me that there's some I-beams over in this location, so I head over to the northwest corner to this little jag of beams, and as I completely fail with my tape measure, I realize that this one's way too small, and then I pull my tape on another one and that one's way too big, and then I realize that I bet there's one up top. So I climb up like a monkey, and yep, I found a perfect one. So off to the forklift driver I go, see if I can go find him, and then I come back with him and point him to where my beam is so he can move the 100 things in his way. Once he moves all the things in his way, we finally pick the beam and a lot more, but we have to pick all that just to get to the beam, and then he's going to put all that back, and 100 steps to do one step. Yeehaw! So after we get the beam, then I need all the tube to do that structure of the gantry crane, and right now I'm looking for the perfectly straight one and non-dented. So me and Chuck are going through each and every piece and finding the best ones for me, so our build goes perfect as planned. So after we get it all on the forks, he drives it over to the saw to cut it down because I don't have a semi truck to haul this stuff. They're 20 feet sections right now, and he's cutting them down to 10-foot sections. And his bandsaw actually makes quick work out of this. I was actually really surprised. And after he gets those all cut up, I drive my truck up to the loading dock, and he gives me the ticket, and while I'm paying for it, he's already loading it. Him and Tom grab the forklift and start loading away. So as they start unloading my worthless little roof rack that I felt was going to crumble in pieces, actually holds up strong. It earned some respect today. I was actually right about now. We're almost finished loading it up so we can hit the road again. I finally got home after the long journey. My ladder rack still in one piece, did not break. Very surprised about that, not gonna lie. So here, me and my neighbor Jake are unloading all this steel very carefully. It weighs over 1,000 pounds. Piece by piece. Finally get the beam off, and stay tuned for part 2 where I fabricate that gantry crane and put the pieces together. Yeehaw!